You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
Well, it's official, Ducati has finally released the special edition bike that they've saved for the primary episode of their world premiere, and it's a Streetfighter V4 that's joined by an equally suave machine from Lamborghini. By collaboration, we should specify that both marques are releasing a machine for this occasion. For Ducatisti worldwide, we've been given the iconic Streetfighter V4, for Lamborghini, a brilliant, swanky, limited edition Huracán STO. If you recall, this isn't the only collaboration that Ducati has had with Lamborghini. Back in 2021, the marques released their matching Diavel 1260 and Lamborghini Sian FKP37, to great aplomb. Both brands are ready to show off their new homage to luxury. But since we're here for the Team Red side of things, let's take a look at the Streetfighter. 2023 Ducati Streetfighter V4, apart from the killer color scheme and the Straydale heart punting out 208 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 23 Nm of yank at 9,500 RPM, with Euro 5 homologation, the new Streetfighter V4 also carries a strong set of side fairing wings, and homage to the brand's successes on the MotoGP track, as well as a carbon fiber finish, the same finish and texture as Lamborghini's, to dress the bike's bodywork. Everything from the front mudguard, belly panel, tank side cover and rims, all the way to the tail section and updated, lighter pipe, have been created to showcase prominent features of the Huracán STO, with the automark herself doing the honors of the design. Other premium features of this Streetfighter V4 include the race-derived dry clutch, the billet aluminum foot pegs, and a set of fantastic Akrapovic type-approved silencers in titanium and carbon fiber, all of which complements the weight, currently archived as 178 kg per 392 pounds, with the curb weight logged at 197.5 kg per 435.4 pounds. All told, the Streetfighter V4 will be sailing by for the bag-worthy price of $79,000, a luxury price tag, to be sure, and one that sings to the objective of both brands. We will keep you updated on other world premiere episodes as they come trickling down the pipeline. Be sure to subscribe to our newsletter for better ease of access. Drop a comment below letting us know what you think, and as ever, stay safe on the twisties.